Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today, we will see how get and download and install Microsoft Office with original license, totally free. So, first of all, we go to our favorite browser and we look for the following: Office, Deployment, Tool, and we enter the first page. We select our language and we read and download. Now, we go to the folder where it was downloaded. And in the desktop, we create a new folder called Office. Now, we move the file that we download to the Office folder. And what we do now is run it. We install it. We give yes. Click accept and continue. Now, we select the same folder that we have created, and we give OK, and we give OK. Now, second step, we go back to the browser, and we look for the following: Office, Customization, Tool. We enter. And very important here, we must choose. If our computer is 32 bits, we choose 32 bits. And if our computer is 64 bits, we choose 64 bits. Now, we choose here. And now in Office, we choose the latest version available, and we give click in Professional Plus 2024. Now, we can install Visio. We can give in additional products, but we will give where. And now, after having selected the version, we choose what Office products we want. In my case, I do not want a OneDrive, and I do not want a OneNote. Now, we choose our language. And we give it next. And now, in the bottom part, if it comes down to the end, we give in export. Then we give in Office Open XML formats, and we give in OK. Now accept the license terms and give in export. Now, we will have downloaded a file. This file we do the same that we did with the first file. We move the file to the folder that we create. Now, we go to our local disk, where we want to install our Office. Example, I want the local disk E. And we move the folder to that hard disk. Now, after having moved it, then, when we have our office folder, move it to the local disk that we want. Now, we go to the PowerShell and we put the following commands: cd, the location of the folder, then setup configure configurijn xml. And if this error appears, the solution is this: copy. What is this? This code. To put it in PowerShell. Then cd space, the location of the folder. Press enter. And now what we do is copy and paste this code. If the same error appears as mine and we give enter, and automatically it will start to install. We just have to wait. We wait for it to be installed. And this will take, depending on your computer, be fast or slow. It will take a good time. Between 15 to 30 minutes it will take to install, and you would have your Microsoft Office totally original and free for you. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful, and goodbye. Thank you.